All right, today we're going to go over part one of how to make the trigger assembly for the rubber band launcher. So we'll go new part and we'll call this the trigger. And I'm going to put 2018 on here because it's this year. Use the default template off. We want to work in millimeters. So I'm going to start with a 70 by 40 millimeter square to make a trigger. So I'll just hit sketch. And we'll come in here, go to the center rectangle tool. In the middle, we'll put a rectangle in here. And we want it to be 40 millimeters wide and 70 millimeters high. And what we need to do is put a couple holes in here to match up the pins on our large pin template. So we'll just put those holes in right now because they're not going to be touching any other lines. We can just throw those in right now. And our hole has to be about 11.5 millimeters. I'm going to put this down like 13 millimeters and over from the side about 10. And then there's another one that's right down here to match up that other pin. So I'm going to put that in right now. It should go to R and R, so now those two holes are the exact same size. And this one I need to measure over where this one is. So I'm going to go to normal. This is how we create a dimension. We want that dimension. We want the center of this circle and the center of this circle. So I right click on each. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right click on each and then come up above and wheel click and it places that measurement there. And that measurement is 17 millimeters apart. Then I need to know the height of these two circles and how far apart they are, and they are 15. So again, we'll stay in the normal tool. We'll click on the center of that circle, left click on it, left click on that one, come over here, and wheel mouse click, and we'll type in 15. So that puts our circles right where we want them. We'll hit the green check and rotate it a little bit and extrude that, and our default that I've been using on this project is 6 millimeters, so we'll just make that 6 millimeters and hit OK, and that's the beginning of our trigger. Now we'll go and show you how it works and fits into the assembly.